we have come here to protest.
Yes, sir.
We have come here to show our solidarity with the victim of the Hathras rape and the other rapes which are taking place, and to bring to the notice of the government to take stringent measures to see that our women, our girls are protected and given a safe environment to live in the country.
Thank you.
पळय आमी हांगा आयल्या आमचो तेंको दाखोवपाक ह्या आमचे महिला हांगा हाथरस ताचेर बलात्कार केलो पळय तांकां त्या पासून आनी सरकाराक त्या फुड्यान नेटान सारकें तांकां घुमून दिवपाक की आमच्या बायलांक आमच्या चलयांक एक सुरक्षीत वातावरण आमच्या देशान दवरपाक जाता तितली पावलां बेगीनूच करची. यो बरें आमी एक 50-60 लोक आहा आनी आनीकूय लोक येता.
सो तुमी कितें करतले आतां? राउंड घेतले हांगा?
पळय हांगा एक राउंड घालून हांगा मागीर ह्यो बाती पेटयतले. हांगा ह्या आमचो एडवर्ड मेमोरियल एडवर्ड सुवारीस मेमोरियल पुतलो आहा पळय ताज्या ह्या भोंवतणी आमी बाती कित्याक लागलाय?
Ahead. Go ahead.
आमचे आमी लोक विनिंगली सगळे जाण सगळे आमच्या देशात महिलांचेर अत्याचार जाता, बलात्कार जाता, हेचेर ही कॅन्डल लायट पेटोवन लोकांचे दोळे जे कर्मां करतात नाका जाल्ली तेंचे दोळे उक्ते जावचे. आनी स्वता हांव जेन्ना जल्माक येता हांव विचारता हांव 9 म्हयने एक बायलेच्या पोटान म्हणजे म्हज्या आवयच्या पोटान रावून येयल्लो आसा. हेजी जागृताय जावची आनी जे अत्याचार पुराय देशान हे महिलांचेर जाता तेजेर लोकांचे दोळे उगाडचे, असली जी कर्मां करता तेंचे दोळे उगाडचे. त्याच परीन सगळ्या सरकार खंयचेय आसूं सगळ्या पार्टींनी एकठांय जावन एक असो भारतांत कायदो हाडचो ज्या कायद्या वरवीं जी ख्यास्त जाता ते ख्यास्तीक भिवून ही कर्मां करपी मनशांक भंय दिसपाक जाय आनी ताणें पयलींच जीव सोडटा पळय असलो कायदो अमलान हाडचो आनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावचे आनी जो महिलांक न्याय जाय तो न्याय दिवचो म्हणून आमी हे सगळे लोक हांगसर जमलेले आसा. हांव पंच मेंबर दीपक नायक, अलोना पंचायत. देव बरें करूं.
दीपक बरें, थँक्यू.
We'll take one round first and then we'll take the bites. Okay? Thomas, follow Nelson. Give me now. Look round. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
This way. Just follow. Yeah, please come. दीपक पुढे Okay, fine. Come there. Come there. Come. व आयज आमचो आल्दोनचो गांव आनी आल्दोनचे गांवाचे दुसरे विलेजीस दुकान आयज हांगा उबे आसात. आमचे गोंयचे तशेंच आमचे आख्खे इंडियेचे धुवो मायो भयणी आयज दुकान आसात आनी हेच दूख आयज आमी आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या फुड्यान मांडून आयलात आनी हो आमचो आवाज तो जस्टीस मागता. ही जस्टीस बेगीच्या बेगीन जी परिस्थिती UP मध्ये जाला, एक आमच्या चेडवाक ब्रुटली मर्डर्ड आनी अश्यो ताजेर आनीक गोश्टी जाल्ल्यो आसात. हे आमकां सगळ्यांक दूख लागता. ह्या दुखाचो आवाज दिवपाक आयज आमचो आल्दोनचो तसोच आमच्या आल्दोनच्या दिगेच्या गांवचो लोक हांगा जमो जाला आनी हो आमचो आवाज आमचे ऑथॉरिटी कडेन पावोवंक दिवंक सोदतात आनी आमचे ज्यो आमच्या गांवांमध्ये ज्यो बायलो आसात चेडवां आसात तांकां एक सेक्युरिटी अशी पावोवची बेगीच्या बेगीन. कित्याक सद्याक आमच्या मनान भंय आयला. अश्यो खूब गोश्टी जाल्यात ज्यो इनसेक्युरिटी फिलींग आमच्या भयणींक धुवांक आनी आमच्या मायांक आमच्या
जस्ट नाव तू स्पेसिफाय केलें की UP एक केस जाला. सो गोंयानू अश्यो कांय केसीस घडटा आसतल्यो तेच्या बद्दल कितें
घडटात आसतल्यो पूण आमकां आतां मनान कावची जाला, दूख जाला जी UP जाला. आमच्या गोंयान आसात त्योय तांच्योच भयणी. आमी इंडियन्स वी आर ऑल टुगेदर. आमी गोंयांत आसूं, आमी UP आसूं, आमी दिल्ली आसूं, आमी तामिळनाडू आसूं, वी आर युनायटेड. दिल्ली कितें जालें और UP कितें जालें गोंयांत कितें जालें ती दूख आख्ख्या देशाकूच जाता. देखून आमचो हो आवाज आसा. हे दुखीन आमी सगळे जाण भागी जालात आनी ही दूख हाजे फुडें अशी ना जावपाक ऑथॉरिटीन आपलें काम सगळ्याकीन बरें करपाक हाजे वयर आमी हे पिसफूल कॅन्डल लायट विजील हें मांडून घेतलां. सगळे जाण हांगा हाजेर आसतले तुमकां आपलो धाकटो बायट दितले. तांचे तुमी मनान कितें आसा तें आयकून घेयात.
तुमचो अपील कितें आसा?
आमचो अपील आसा पीस. वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग होल ऑफ इंडिया that we are united as the Indians, whether we are women, we are men, we are daughters, we are sisters, we are mothers, we are united. We should get the opportunity to remain in peace. आता अशी परिस्थिती आसा आमच्या देशामध्ये, समज रातच्या 2 एके चलये काय गरज पडली फार्मासीन वचून मेडिसीन हाडपाक, आसा तिका तसो मनान शांती आपूण वचून बरे भाशेन परत घरा पावतली, ही भंय कित्याक आसा? ही किचो तरी इट्स अ फेलियर ऑफ द सिस्टम. वो फेलियर ऑफ द सिस्टम आमी ह्या टायमार हांगा उबे आसात. वो फेलियर ऑफ द सिस्टम टू बी करेक्टेड. वी गॉट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम ब्रिटीश अँड गोवा स्पेशली फॉर लॉंग बॅक. पूण तो भंय अजुनूय आसा. त्या टायमार आमकां अशें जाल्लें आमच्या शामाय सांगतालीं, पूण तेन्ना आनी आतां म्हणल्यार कितें फरक जाला? फरक तेच आसा. पूण आमचो हेतू हांगा कितें आसा? वी आर ऑल युनायटेड एज अ इंडियन्स. वी लव अ कंट्री. फॉर अ कंट्री वी आर हियर टू सॅक्रिफायस आवर टायम and pass this word to the nation that please treat everyone equally. Woman is not inferior. Don't treat them in another way. We are together and we are India, and that's how only India as a nation we can progress and we can make our nation the best nation in the world.
सगळे भावा भयण्या हांगा एकठांय जाल्ले आसा एडवर्ड्स सुवारीस ह्या मेमोरियला कडेन, आनी एकठांय जावपाचे हे पीसफूल कॅन्डल लायट इतल्याकूच लागून की आमकां सगळ्यांक जी चली भुरगीं आसा, जी बायलां आसा, ती बायलां आमची आवय, जी बायल आमकां जल्म दिता त्याच बायलेचेर आमी असो गुन्हो कसो करूंक शकता हें केन्ना केन्ना आमकां चिंतचें पडटा. जी बायल मनीस आमकां दादल्या मनशाक जल्म दिता तो दादलो मनीस इतलो क्रूर कसो जावंक शकता, हें आमकां देवान एक बरें बुद्ध दिवपाक जाय की असली क्रूर वृत्ती ही जी संवसारान आसा, देशान म्हणा आमच्या गोंयान आसा, तिचो अंत जावपाक जाय. आनी जेन्ना असली वायट घडणूक घडटा तेन्ना ज्यो ऑथॉरिटी आसता, जो सरकार आसता, त्या जाग्यार त्या वेळार त्या मनशांक योग्य शिक्षा ही जावपाक जाय. जेन्ना हाथरस ह्या डिस्ट्रिक्टान उत्तर प्रदेशान ही वायट घडणूक घडली आनी त्या वेळार जेन्ना लिडर तांकां मेळोंक वयतात, तांकां मिडिया मेळपाक वचूंक सोदतात, थंयसर तांकां आडयतात. म्हणजे कितें दाखयता आमचो देश हो खंयच्या वाटेन वयता. जर कोण मेलो जावं कोणाचेर गुन्यांव जाला, अत्याचार जालो, ताका आमी सांत्वना सुद्दां दिवपाक वचोंक शकना. आयज पुलीस यंत्रणा वाटेक आडयतात, आमच्या लिडरांक आडयतात, आमच्या पत्रकारांक आडयतात. पत्रकार चलयो ज्यो पत्रकार आमी टीव्हीर पळयला, पत्रकार मिडिया ज्यो चलयो आसात त्यो वयता, तांकां पुलीस वायट शब्द उलयता, तांकां अशी दादागिरीची भाशा. चलयेचेर अत्याचार जाता म्हणून एक चली पत्रकार जेन्ना मुखार वयता ती सत्य परिस्थिती जाणून घेवपाक, अशा वेळार चली पत्रकार आसात तिचेर कसो अन्याय करता हे पुलीस उत्तर प्रदेशाचे, हे ज्वलंत उदाहरण आमकां दिश्टी पडटा की हो देश आयज वायट मार्गान वयता. ह्या देशाचें जें डायरेक्शन आसा, जें महात्मा गांधीन आमकां डायरेक्शन दिल्लें, ज्या महात्मा गांधीन आमकां एक देख दिल्ली मनीसपणाची, शांतीकायेची, एकचाराची, ती आयज खंय तरी शेणटा. आनी शेणपाक हे आयज राज्यकर्ते आसा, ते राज्यकर्ते आयज हेका जबाबदार आसा. कित्याक तांकां आपणाची खुर्ची, आपणाची सत्ता आनी आपणाचे जे लोक गुन्यांव करतात तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करप इतलेंच तांकां कळटा. सो आमी मागणी करता सरकारा कडेन, UP सरकारा कडेन की तेंच्यांनी बेगींतल्या बेगीन ह्या गुन्यांवकारांक ख्यास्त करची. कायदे कठीण कडक करपाकूच जाय, पूण सद्या जे आमचे कायदे आसात ते कायदे आमच्या जाग्यार आसात. त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे तांकां अरेस्ट करात, त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे तांकां सजा दियात. आनी तेन्नाच आमकां दिसतलें की हो देश आनी ह्या देशान रावपी जनता आनी खास करून बायल मनीस ही सुरक्षीत आहा. आमी परत एकदां हांव हळदणकाराच्या वतीन ह्या घडणुकेचो निशेध करता आनी गोंय सरकाराक उलो मारता की गोंयान असल्यो घडणुक्यो जावच्या आदी तुमी जतनाय घेवपाची चड गरज आसा. आमच्या हळदण्यान आमी पळयता की पुलिसांचे हांगा रातच्या भोंवपाचें हांगा बंद जाल्लें आसा, खंय दिश्टी पडना. जर पुला वरसून आतां ह्या दिसांनी हांगा ट्रान्सपोर्ट ना, फक्त कदंबा आसता, प्रायवेट बसी जावं कोणी येयलो हांगासून खोर्जुया वयतलो जाल्यार पुला वरसून चलोन वयचें पडटा. मागीर थंयसर पुलिसांची कांयच देखरेख ना, खंयच्याच नाक्याचेर पुलिसांची देखरेख ना.
तुम्ही केन्नाय पत्रकार तुम्ही केन्नाय येवन पळया, हांगा एक पत्रकार तर हांगाच आसता, ताका खबर आहा की पुलीस हांगा खंयच भोवना आनी ताका लागून आमची भुरगीं आमोरी जाल्या उपरांत भायर सरपाक भियेता. अशें जावंक जायना. सगळ्यांक फ्रिडम आसपाक जाय, सगळ्यांक स्वतंत्रताय आसूंक जाय. तो भंय जो आसा तो पयस जावपाक जाय आनी ते करपाक आमच्या सरकारान, गोंयच्या सरकारान ती पुलिसांची यंत्रणा जाग्यार घालपाक जाय.
Do you think government is doing enough to prevent this abuse and rape?
जे गव्हर्मेंट आपणाचे कायदे करता, सगळे कायदे जाग्यार आसा, पूण तेचे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन सारकें जायना. ज्वलंत उदाहरण म्हणजे हाथरस. कायदे आसा, सगळे कायदे जाग्यार आसा, ते कायद्यांनी खूब जाता तांकां पनीश करपाक, पूण जे सरकार कदेलीर बसलां तें सरकार कोणाक तरी प्रोटेक्ट करपाक खंयसरूच हे पुलिसांक आपणाचें काम करपाक फ्रिडम दिना. सो हो फ्रिडम आमच्या पुलीस यंत्रणेक मेळपाक जाय. पुलिसांचो आयज ते आपणाक जाय तसो प्रयोग करता, उपयोग करता. ही वायट गजाल आमच्या देशांत जावची न्हू, जेणे करून आमचो जो महात्मा गांधीचो देश आसा, शांतिकायेचो देश आसा, तो देश परत एकदा आमकां मेळटलो.
आमी हांगा सगळे जे जमले हांगा ते आज अभिमानी गोंयकार, अभिमानी भारतीय. तशेंच ही जी घटना जाली हाथरसाक इतली लज्जस्पद गोश्ट मान सकयल घालचें पडटा. एक सादें आमच्याच पैकी 19 वर्सांच्या चलयेचेर जे हाल जाले, जी स्थिती ताका जाली ते पळोवन मन सारकें चलबिचल जालें. त्याच बरोबर खरे राग संताप येता तो सरकारी मशिनरी आसता, UP पुलीस जी आसता, योगी सरकारची मशिनरी आसली, ते जेन्ना तिची कूड हाडली एम्बुलन्सान, ताजे सोयरे सारकी एम्बुलन्स फुडें रावले, आमकां तोंड ताजें पळोवनी. जो हक्क आसता आवय बापायक अग्नी दिवपाचो तो सुद्दां तांकां दिलो गेलो ना. त्याच बरोबर मागीर जें जालें, तुमचेच पत्रकार भावजेक एक ती बायल मनीस गेली, तिका सुद्दां आडयलें, प्रत्येक पत्रकाराक आडयलें, मेळपाक दिलें ना. तो वेळ आशिल्लो खरो सरकारान पाठिंबो दिवपाचो, ताका वकील दिवपाचे फॅमिलीक, त्या कितें आसा तो प्रोत्साहन दिवपाचो, सांगपाचें आमी तुज्या बरोबर आसा. आमचो प्रमोद बाब म्हणटाचो भिवपाची गरज ना, आमी तुज्या बरोबर आसा. तो वेळ आशिल्लो सांगपाचें, पूण तेन्ना कांय करूं ना. तांकां नाकेबंदी केली, कोणाक मेळपाक दिलें ना. ही घटना जी आसा, अश्यो रेप किंवा बायलांची जी विटंबना करपाची सगळे देशभर चल्ल्या. फाटीं राजस्थानाक घडली, UPन चालू आसा, बिहाराक चालूच आसता. आमकां दिसतालें गोंयांत घडना म्हणून. गोंया आयल्या, गोंयच्यो केसी जर पळयत, फाटीं स्कुलान जाली, DPR स्कुलान वास्को जाली, पणजे जाली. एक आमचो कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर ताजेरूच चार्जीस आसा, तो ते बसला आनी मुखेलमंत्र्याचेर कांयच करना. ही जी आज सभा आसा, सगळ्या लोक आयले एकठांय, हातून राजनिती म्हणटा ती कांय ना. आनी आमी सगळ्यांची जी मेणवात पेटयल्या, ज्योत पेटयल्या, ती म्हाका आशा आसा आमच्या भितर ज्योत उरतली कायम. व राग व संताप जे सरकार निष्क्रिय करता, कांयच काम करना, ताज्या विरुद्ध हो आवाज येवपाक जाय एकठांय. अशी हांव आशा बाळगता. म्हाका खात्री आसा लोक एकजूट रावन हाचो निशेध करतले. देव बरें करूं. तशेंच तुमी कोणें प्रश्न विचारलो, अपील कितें ती पत्रकारान. अपील म्हणल्यार एक सरकाराचे कायदो आसता. सरकार आमी कित्याक निवडटा, आमच्या बरोबर रावपाक, लोकां बरोबर रावपाक, न्हय की तुमी त्या पुलिसाचे कोणा पावरफूल मनीस आसा ताजेवर रावपाक. सरकाराचें कर्तव्य आशिल्लें त्या चलयेच्या फॅमिली बरोबर रावपाचें, तें ताणें अजिबात केलें ना. हो सरकार कसलो तो कळना, लोकांचो सरकार उरूंक ना तो, ही ताका सरकाराक जाणीव आसपाक जाय.
I'm Janice Fernandez and I'm a proud daughter of India. I belong to India and India is my country. It's not surprising in our country, having so much of population, that we see that our population is very disturbed. The very fact that we would like to point out in the failure of the education system, which has not trained the minds of young children, of young adults to grow into good citizens. Somewhere or the other, the system is failing, not at the apex level, but at the basic level. Now what I would like to say is that the incident which happened in UP is not something very new to us. It just happens. According to statistics, in 2019, every 16 minutes a girl is sexually assaulted. I would not like to use the term rape because we should not promote that term, as even IPC says that it's called sexual assault, although rape is being used in alternatives. So what I would like to say is that in India, when we have every 15 minutes, somewhere or other, a female is being sexually assaulted, maybe at a small point where there is certain molestation, certain harassment. The problem is with us. The problem is with our society, the mentality that we are growing up in. The problem is with all women, is with all men. What stigma will be attached to the person? Forget about the government right now. Government is there, it's there. There is a failure of public machinery, is accepted. But what we can do as citizens, we always blame, like government should have done this, government should have done that. What are we contributing? How are we being productive? How are we being helping our friends, our women? We know of certain things. Like not all sexual assaults are being reported. What about those in homes? What about those in custodies? What about those people in orphanages? They have all been through some kind of sexual harassment. So this is not a new concept. And the incident in UP is very shocking because this is the first time that such a heinous crime was committed. Over that, to conceal facts. First of all, the body was not being cremated. First of all, there was no FIR report. The medical examination was not conducted in a fair manner. Middle of the night at 3 a.m., the parents, the family, nobody was allowed to see, nobody was allowed to bid a farewell, a final bye, goodbye. They were being locked up, they were being threatened. This is the faith that we have in our system. Okay, the act was committed. What was the protection then given? Did the family not bang the doors of justice? Did the family not go out? The family did go out. What happened? She was failed. She was failed in her own country. Why? Because she belonged to a very socially backward community, a Dalit community. That was her weakness. Could be, yes. The politicians just wanted, I call it as a political crime. It's a political crime to hide facts, to conceal facts. People have not on time reported the incident because the post of these people, so-called people involved in the machinery, will be sacked away, will not be getting their pensions and so on, so forth. So my message to everyone, government will rise, government will fall. Governments keep changing over years. From 5,000 years we have crimes. Civilization has evolved. We have a lot of civilizations, right from Harappan civilization to the British India, from ancient India, it has been evolved. But the term sexual assault, the term rape has been used widely in 2019, 2020 and the years preceding it. So can we as citizens help each other? Can we as women help each other, as females, as males? It's not right to blame females. It's also right, it's right to train our men, to train our boys, to train our sons, to train our brothers. You know, at a very young level, when the mind is just forming, when a child sees first time something very abusive on social media or through internet or through books or through something, where will he go? Where will she go? Do they have that bonding to talk between their parents and them? So that is the thing that has to be cleared first. The education system in school does not focus on sex education at all. Here we fail. If at that time the child was given proper guidance, that certain things should be preserved for a later stage of life, then our education system will be a success. So I would like to say to my friends, females, males, when you see something like this around you, when you see something, do not stigmatize, do not keep quiet, voice out. You have various forms of voicing out. You have forms of, you can speak, you can write, you can post, you can express, you can enact, you can draw, you can sketch. Use all these things. There is nobody stopping you. Come out, help each other. If the government does not help you, it's okay. We will do it. We friends will do it. We females will do it. We society, we are an Indian society. We are a democracy. We are for the people, by the people, of the people. So we, the people is very important. So yes, I want everyone to cooperate, and together we can train our men together to fight this evil, to fight not only sexual assault, but to fight many crimes which can be eradicated from India completely, and India can be one of the highest developing countries ever. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Saloni. Okay.
First case was Nirbhaya, after that Aisha, and this Hathras case, which is Manisha's. Okay, so these three rapes have been continuous back to back. Not only these three rapes, but every day in India there are 87 rapes of average are happening in India. So not only Hathras, but we also want justice for all the cases, all the 87 cases happening every day in India. In past 3 days, I have seen lot of many cases in Rajasthan, in Bhopal and Chhattisgarh and many other states. We want justice for them also, because our history itself teaches us, our Mahabharata and Ramayana itself teaches us that it teaches us they both happened because of women, Sita and Draupadi. They were because of them Ramayana and Mahabharata happened. And in this yuga also we want the same thing to happen with the rapists. And we can't tolerate every time on human sexuality. At last, we just want justice for them and nothing else. And the rapist, I think if it is rape, then that rapist should not hang after many years. It should be hanged right now. Okay, and we can also after doing this, there will be also the tutorial for the rapists also, that it should they will also get frightened of it. Okay, so that's it. We just want justice for Manisha. And yeah. To be honest, when I was told about this, that I had to speak, I was quite nervous. But I do understand that potentially I can be voice of many girls behind me who are not able to come on camera. Every 15 minutes there's a sexually assaulted case that is registered in India, and that is not good. We do understand that this, but men, sons, brothers, all of them have to be trained to control whatever emotions they are going through. People blame girls for wearing either short clothes or a crop top for her belly being showing. But even women, Indian women traditionally wear a sari blouse where there are parts of the body also being seen. So girls in modern days should not be just stigmatized that because of your clothes this has been done to you, because of that this has been done to you. It can be also a person wearing a long dress or something like that can be sexually assaulted. Secondly, we girls should get the freedom of roaming out, maybe at whatever time, maybe going out with friends at night for some birthday party or something like that. Parents these days do not want to send their daughters out in the fright that she might get sexually assaulted. That is the reason girls are not allowed to go out at all. If the government punishes the rapists at that time when they come to know about it, it'll be a safe democracy, a safe country. In case the government and parents can be also free to let their children out for whatever activities at night or whatever it is. In other countries or other states like Iran, Pakistan, rapists are shot dead at the point that they come to know. But why in India it is not dead? Why is the case in the court for years and years going through? And why are they not even, some of them are not punished, some of them are punished. But in Iran they do not see your level of maybe political, how your currency or whatever it is. They are just shot at that moment. Why doesn't India, the government of India, have this kind of policy for all the rapists? May it be some political party or may it be the lowest of lowest person. All should be treated equally, all should be having the same punishment throughout. So and also girls should have self-defense classes or something like that. For maybe some person who is cannot afford a self-defense class. The government should at least have a 15 days during holidays of free self-defense classes for all girls, maybe from the richest of richest to the poor, so that she can defend herself in case she encounters such cases. So my only this is that we should get justice for what is happening to us. We need it, and also we need freedom for everything that is happening. It's not only females, and females are not the only people who are responsible. It is also men and also males.
I just want to recall our pledge, the first two lines of our pledge, which says, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I am an Indian, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. So whether the rape has happened in UP or it has happened in any part of India, okay, that girl who was raped, that woman who is raped is my sister, is your sister. So we have to fight as if she is somebody of our own. We as citizens are all responsible when a rape happens. We cannot just blame the rapist. Okay, because of the way we think, what we have trained our sons, what we have trained our daughters when they are small. We cannot just blame those rapists. What is our system? We are the ones who bring the government into power. Are we bringing the right people into power? The same government brings these police, these judges into power. Okay, so if we choose the correct government, there will be change. Do not say that we are not responsible. We are all responsible. As citizens, every vote that we put matters. We have to stop blaming the government, blame ourselves from today. As when we put our votes this time, let us think of who we are voting for. Let us not be bought by the ministers. There are some wonderful people who can be brought into power to run this country. We are not choosing them. We are not giving them a chance. Who is at fault? Can we blame the government? We have to blame ourselves. They are the one who brings police, who brings judges. As judges, also I want to say, judges, the pledge also applies to you all. Police, the pledge also applies to you all. Okay, it says that she is your sister. It doesn't say that she's only the sister of the lay person. She's also your sister as a judge, also your sister as a police officer. Wake up, because this is the legacy you are leaving for your children. Don't think that by doing such wrong things that your children will not get affected. This is what you're leaving behind. You're not leaving houses and cars behind. You're leaving a wrong system behind for your children. Tomorrow your children will suffer. So this is all I have to say right now. Whenever we are voting now, whenever elections come up, we need to choose wisely. No more blaming each other. Blame ourselves right now. Thank you.
Next national election, that there was a committee formed. The committee was formed to make this place safer for everybody, to make this space equal. We need equal opportunities. We do not need to be saved. We are creating a better future for everybody. So why are we forming committees and why are we forming commissions when we are not to implement those recommendations? So I feel we should immediately implement this, and this should be our ask from schools to panchayats to the governments in the state and at the center. Plus, this Hathras case specifically has highlighted, and everybody has become conscious of the caste-led violence, how lower caste is raped, how a woman and a Dalit woman is sadly the lowest in this country and is treated very, very badly. And this is shown in NCRB data, not this just in 2019 but in 2016 as well. If you actually look at the data, you see that most of the SC/ST crime, like again, which is filed under the SC/ST Act, is because of sexual assault or rape. So where are we heading? We know that most number of cases are not filed. So it is a reality. We have to accept that caste-related violence exists in our society, and we have to work towards solving it instead of denying it. Right now we see that the officials in Uttar Pradesh are denying rape. But what we should never forget that the victim was burnt in the middle of the night at 2:40. There is footage of that, how mothers and sisters and aunts are pleading in front of the van. We should never forget that one girl was killed, probably raped, gang raped, and her body was burnt in the middle of the night. This shows that there is something very sinister at play. We still keep getting footage every day about how some people are supporting the rapist. So what country do we want to make? What future do we want to make? Why don't we stop talking to the rapist family? Why does whole village stop talking to the victim's family? This is something we have to question. We have to question the way we are reacting to everything, and we have to keep talking about it till we know that the victim's family is safe, and not just in Hathras case, but so many different cases.
आणि आमच्या गोंयान आयज काल घडटा चेडवां मदें बायलां मदें जे आहा ते थोडे तांकां फटयता वता रेप करता आनी मागीर तांकां मारता आनी मागीर आपूण जीव दिता. तुवें उगडास धरूंक जाय की तूं एके बायले कडसून जल्मलाय म्हूण. ती बायल जेन्ना आसली तूं जल्माक येवचो नासलो. आयज काल ह्या संवसारान तें कोण पळोवंक वचना. तुजी भयणीक काजार केली ताका कोणें रेप केलें तुका कशें दिसतलें? काय तूं कितें करतलो? तूं वयल्यान ताका मारूंक वयतलो.
ते भाशेक तुवें पयलीं तुजे भयणीक सांबाळूंक जाय. तुज्या भयणांक तूं सांबाळना, तूं आमची शेजाऱ्यां पासून आहात तांकां, शेजारची चेडो आहात तांकां पासून तूं सांबाळना कसलो फायदो तुजो. आमी चेडे जावन आमच्या भयणांक सांबाळूंक जाय, बायलांक सांबाळूंक जाय आनी अशें करून आमच्या गोंयांत सुदारप हाडूंक जाय. पुलीस आयकना, पुलिसां हें केलें तें केलें, पुलिसांचो गुन्यांव कोण नाकात. मागीर केसी जाल्यो मागीर तांकां क्वेश्चन करतात, तुका कशें कितें केल्लें, हें कें केल्लें तें केल्लें. बायलांची लॉज करून सोडटात. आमची ज्युडिशरी चेंज जावंक जाय, कंप्लीट चेंज हाडूंक जाय ज्युडिशरीन. कित्याक हे ज्युडिशरीन एक पाटी मनशाचे हें घेतलें, स्टेटमेंट घेतलो की आपणें हें केलां म्हूण, तें दिवन सोमतें आनी ताका चान्स दिवपाचो न्ही फायट करपाक. सोमतो भितर उडय वचोन न्ही ताका 15-20 वर्सां. हे भाशेन आमची सुदारप येतलें, नाजाल्यार सुदारप येवपाचें ना.